What up, guys? It is our last day here in Vancouver in this Airbnb. I'd like to call a jail cell. And I'm only calling it that because it's a shared space. We have to share a bathroom. After 10, we can't make any noise. Since it's our last day here in Vancouver, we decided we're gonna meet up with some of the Vancouver crew and do a mini photo shoot, just hang out. Probably grab some dinner right now at a ramen joint, which is in Robson, so we're gonna drive downtown. It's already sunset right now. You look so good with a hat on, had to match with the shoes. Came in dressed in a satin, I came in satin. Welcome.
What you guys put in? That one's in forward.
Alright. Yo, we're here, and I think Simon's actually already here. They're grabbing a table for us at Santoka, which is like right across. Gang's all here. Go for green. Here they gave you your wafer stick.
Oh my god, it's Night Runner.
You still have this?
Yeah, we finished up with the ramen. Now we are at the Vancouver Convention Center. This is actually where they hold Anime Revolution, which I'm actually going to be coming back for in August. But yeah, we're parked. We're waiting on 2 other cars, including Jarek, and I think he had dinner with some other person because he doesn't care about us. We're also waiting on another Rocket Bunny V2 FRS or BRZ, either or. Not entirely sure at this point anymore. We met them during Driven Vancouver, so they'll be bringing their car and we can do a small photo shoot while we're here. Here's to our last night in Vancouver. Hello guys. How are you, dude?
Man, not bad, not bad. How are you?
Good. Wicked, man. Good to see you again.
Yeah, good to see you too, man.
This thing is crazy. Yo, it looks really good in the dark. Like this color really stands out. Yeah, these guys did a good job on this. And these 2 are brothers. This is like a small example of the many faces that are available for the ZN6 chassis. It's cool if I drop Pikachu?
Anything, bro.
Oh, sick. Sweet, man. Thanks.
Sick. Thank you so much.
Hey, no worries, man. Guys, I don't suggest you stand on your roof. Dented mud in so many places. Oh well. Yeah, it was cool chilling with you guys. Yeah. Have a good night, guys. Take care. 151 Garage. Follow these guys. Derp's house, just organizing, so all this has to be folded. Also, shout out to Momi and Daryl for the Hawaiian souvenirs. Got some Kona coffee. Dude, I've never even heard of this. Guava jelly. Some gummy treats. And more candies. Downtime. I think everyone's had a super long day.
Have time to wear it.
Oh yeah.
Atsu did work. Thanks, man. Get back to work. Alright, yo guys, it is hella dark. You know what? I'm gonna face this way. So we're just about ready to leave Simon's house. Everyone's helping pack up Gutu's car with all of the stuff because I'm actually leaving my car here. And the reason why I'm leaving my car here is because I'm actually gonna be coming back here, picking it up, and then me and Simon are gonna be heading down to Cali. So that's gonna be another adventure for another time. I'm just gonna carpool with Gutu back home to Calgary. Just gonna double check to make sure I'm not leaving anything important behind. Have to figure out a way to fit all of this inside there.
So it's kind of convenient having a 4-door car.
Good enough.
My stocking, holding your pockets in place. I like my love with a budget, like my husband is.
Alright guys, we are doing one last breakfast in Vancouver before heading out back to Calgary. And we've met up with our buddies. So these guys are actually going to be driving back with us. So we got a small convoy just in case anything happens on the road up. This place looks fancy. Whoa. This place is nice. Yeah, it's just so open. Do it. Everything looks so good. Crazy. Got the same thing. You know, got some pastries to bring back to our mother. We're gonna try the Japanese cheese castella, double chocolate, strawberry cheesecake. It's time to say goodbye.
Whoa. I just found out I parked illegally for an hour.
Tow trucks here work fast. 5 minutes and your car's gone.
Hiding in the alleyways.
Just
And if your car's still there at 3:05, they come out at 4.
Yeah.
And it's just a line of tow trucks coming out ready to fuck your day up.
I did see quite a few actually.
See you in a month.
Sir,
Be seeing you.
we'll catch you, man.
Yep.
Or we'll visit you either in Japan or Hawaii, either or, man.
Hope to see you guys at the end of the
Yeah, no, for sure. I think that's a major possibility. Atsu, we'll see you again, man, for sure. Yeah. Kanji, are you ready?
I don't like BC gas prices.
Yeah, living here would suck. Money-wise, man. Yeah, it's just like ×2 every time.
Like it was yesterday, she was so beautiful to me. In my mind, sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of the summertime, way back in 2003. Hey, she was a cutie in a sundress. I told her I just had to confess, I got a crush on you, by then. The long tan legs got me falling. And I know, we just.
Oh my God.
Make a U-turn.
Oh, first break in Merritt. Gonna see Kenji's car. Oh man, that was scary. That was a scary sight. Oh.
No, we did lose brackets. Yeah, we did lose brackets.
So we're like, that's first up.
Yeah.
Check that out.
Gas all right.
Shiz, man. Is there any way? Just zip tie?
I think I might just take it off.
As long as it can fit, dude.
I might shove it in all the way to the back.
Oh man, that sucks, bro. Hot damn.
Yeah, we lost brackets.
So what? Simon just drilled into that thing? Like the green stuff?
Oh, he accidentally unhooked it from here. It's right that way.
Did you get them too?
Can you try these?
I got the other flavor.
It's a trend, dude. Like rolled up like tortilla chips.
Oh, yeah. Like, what is it?
The super spicy. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, those are good.
yeah. Except they already taste stale out of the bag.
No, really?
That's what I feel.
They're awesome.
Kanji's fixed his car. He just put a splitter in his trunk. I'm surprised that thing even fits there. And now next stop, probably not till Revelstoke, which is like 2 hours away. So let's get her.
But I heard that love at first sight ain't a myth. Oh no, yeah. I wanna take you out on a dance floor, girl. I wanna hear you screaming out for some more, girl.
Why you do that? I can't explain it, but just know you're working for me. She text me, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, I
Oh, that would suck. Dude, I'd rather walk home.
I don't wanna
Alright, we made it back to Calgary, safe and sound.
Yeah, scrape this off.
How's that even possible?
I didn't lose it, but one of the rub nuts popped out.
No way! I've had to do that with my front bumper, actually. Steven's bought his wrap. He's getting started. Full roll, dude. Crazy. Wait, I wasn't supposed to show that. Alright guys, thanks for the journeys. We did it. Gutu. Back and forth, man. Full drive. You didn't even... Yeah, good stuff, good stuff. Well, now you know, man. Peace, man. Yeah. See you guys. Good weekend. Yeah, rest easy. Oh, what the shit? Alright, see ya. Okay. We're back. It's been a long weekend, but these driven shows are always really fun. And I actually don't mind the drive from Calgary to Vancouver anymore. I've gotten used to it. Unfortunately for me, I didn't really have to drive back, so yeah, it was super cool for Daniela and Kanji to come along, just in case, because for these long road trips, if anything were to happen between A and B, and you were by yourself, imagine you were in the middle of the mountains, no reception, and you didn't have tools with you, and your car broke down. What do? Better be safe than sorry. That's what friends are for. Gutu, thanks for driving. And what else? Oh, for any of you guys who are still waiting for orders to come in, I do have a small announcement. Kmart sweatpants or the Pixel trousers, those are still in production. I know it's taking a while, but sometimes it gets hard because the suppliers that I'm dealing with aren't from the same country. So when I'm wide awake and doing emails, it might take like a full day for them to respond because they're probably sleeping. So they have to wait until the morning to get back to me, vice versa. But those are coming, I promise. And sticker orders. A lot of you guys are actually still waiting on stickers, and I apologize for this. I'll show you. I just got a huge shipment of stickers in, and it's because we ran out. I honestly thought I'd have enough supplies for our online stock, but I guess not. And it's kind of hard to find local suppliers that are reliable, that can get back to me. Here, lots of you guys were waiting on these. So that's what I'm doing now. Just going through all of the remaining orders online. So to those who are actually still waiting on their stickers, promise you, try your best to get these orders processed and out the door for delivery within like 2 to 3 days. from when they were actually ordered online. But during wave drops, we actually get more traffic than we tend to consider, and we do run out of stock. So a couple of the stickers were on back order, and that's what I was waiting for, but they're here and now I can send them out. I think I'll leave it at that. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.